So today we have the stage 4 clutch for our Jeep 3.6 liter, featuring yet again the 6-puck ceramic disc. With these 6-puck discs, you have a high quality ceramic friction material on each puck, 6 springs that'll help with the vibration in your transmission. And when you're either ascending through a grade or crawling rocks, whatever it may be, with the addition of a little bit more clamp load on the pressure plate, you're able to hold a lot more power, up to 150% more power over stock, yet it'll still be easy to modulate as you crawl through the terrain. Once again, each clutch kit does come with an alignment tool, your pilot bushing, and a high quality throw bearing.